Okay, I will do it so short as I can. I stay here for Martin. Martin is the main guy for Europe laser ammo. If you have question about the tactic, please ask him. Please show me your hand. This is Martin. The idea is I will show you very quickly what can we do with laser ammo targets and the guns. Here's guns. For example, soft air with a laser. Then this is what I use often. This is only like a SIRT, but the new version, I can take a shot and you hear it. And if I take 15 shots, I have to take the to change the mag. Right now I can take the next shot. So it's easy, simple. This is the expensive version for police and military. So if I want, I can program the targets in different colors. You see it. I as an instructor, I can use only red for enemy and green for own troops. You can do what you want. Right now, I told him, please, what I want for my tactic. Maybe you remember from the presentation what I do in the real mission: 3 to 5 in the chest. If I have enough effect, it's fine. If not, then I change to the other areas, head or hip. So 3 to 5, 3 to 5, 3 to 5 maximum. Then I have a look. Everything is fine or not. Maybe I take only one shot. But here, he did it for me. I told him I need minimum 5 hits for the effect, or 7 I think. It's not important. I do my job. So the targets can communicate together. As an instructor, I can say, okay, I need minimum 3 hits in the chest and 3 in the head and 3 in the hip, and then he will be dead. It's up to me what I want from my own tactic. So this means when I go in the situation, for example, oh no, the main point is I will show you only a very little bit. By the event, when we go to the dinner, then we take our targets, then we eat a little bit, and then you have fun. You go here to the backside. I have no idea where exactly, but we have space for this, right? So yes. Then if you want to play a little bit, go, and then you can shoot so often as you want. We have assault rifles, we have pistols, and then only have fun. Go again, ask Martin if you want special information. Or you go, for example, I take. So you see, after some shots, he was killed. So right now I have enough hits. So, okay, you saw the last shot was one too much because the light is off. But in the reality, it's not important. I have 1 hit more. So it's from and the other good thing is, if I want, I can program my targets, and after some second, he is alive. Okay. So this means I can take a very great drill training. Okay, he did it. Or he has a controller. As an instructor, you have not more than this. Push one button, everything is alive, and then you can go. I can take one target right here, the next in the floor, for example, and the targets can speak together. It's again in half an hour. Have fun. We will take it for you. We have different targets. The main problem for this kind of target is, what is if you see it? If you have light or strobe, sometimes you have the effect like a hit. Right now he will change it for Nextorch.
Thank you.
Then we can work with the flashlight and the pistol together. All has problems with light. Asked him about why. I have no idea. I'm only a shooter.
Yes, there are light sensor inside.
Yeah, and it's the different waves and so on and so on. Please ask him. Yeah. He will do it for us. Okay. Okay. The same with the assault rifle. You can, if you want, you have fun as a single shooter or as a team. You can entry area, whatever, or have only fun and use your gun. We have a little bit gas. If it's empty, then it's empty. But Peter has enough money. He spent the gas for us.
Okay.
Good. So laser ammo. Here's the laser system, like this kind of pistol. You can take your real pistol. Okay, then you don't have recoil, but you can pull the trigger and then it works. You can use, I think, all kind of airsoft. Is this right? Okay, most. But right now we have 4 pistol, I think, and 4 assault rifle. Right? Yeah. So have fun in half an hour. Please go one time to the website. You got so much more information if you have, if you be interested about the system. I think, okay, a little bit expensive, but pretty workful. And the main point for me, I have so many different computer systems, but very often it doesn't work. With my system, this is not my, this is from Laser Ammo, but I have the same. You can change so quick the situation without nothing. This is why I like it so much. If you stay in your unit, take it in the cellar, in a different room, and then after 5 minutes, you'll be much better than nothing. In 0 minutes. This is why I like it so much. Okay, this is a pretty expensive version. The cheaper version, Peter has one system right here. You can use the normal system. What we did, the smaller version, this is more for civilian. We take only one sensor in the chest, and then you have a little bit area. Usually by the smaller version, you have small targets, but I don't use it as a small targets. I take it right here, and then sometimes it doesn't work so great, but if you hit here, then not so good like this, of course, but it's a quarter of the price, or less. You take it right here, and then, for example, I think single, 3 and 5 systems it's in one box, and these speak together too. Absolutely not the same like here, but the idea is the same. You have an area, and if you hit with a laser, then he gives your sound if you want. He gives us a visual signal and so on. Not bad, but we, Nextorch, we have this kind because it's not so expensive. But I know Peter, maybe he changed. Okay, you have question.
This, if you want to put it on a airsoft, let's say assault rifle,
yeah,
you can mount it on the rails.
Yeah,
laser.
but that's not the good idea. The best idea, you will see it. We have the laser inside the barrel, and then you make everything exactly like normal. This is the best version. You will see it. I have 4, or we have 4 systems in the second floor. We will bring it to you.
It needs to be put on the barrel inside.
Yeah, this is the best. But I think you have one sensor laser outside, is it right? Yeah, yeah. But I don't like it. I take my training gun. This is my personal. I take the laser system here inside. If you get a little bit recoil, then the laser will go out. So, and then you take, it's not real, of course, but it's so much better than nothing. This is what I like.
Because what we are using is one with the CO2 gas, so that will flush out from the barrel, the laser.
No. You will see it. The system from Laser Ammo, it's not the cheapest in the world, of course, but it works every time. Good. Then when we go to the dinner, Jörg, please stand up. Here's a system for us. He worked with Laser Ammo 2. Asked him, he has one of the greatest system for PDP. This means, I think everybody knows the Laser Ready Max. No, not laser. Ready Mac. Ready Mac. You take it in the Glock 17, for example, then you pull the trigger and then
set your trigger.
Yeah. And he built, and he will show it to us for the PDP, for example, and later on for the SFP9, I think. Welche noch? Erstmal PDP. Yeah, I asked him PDP because I have so much PDPs at home. Please start with this. I think it's the best gun right now. So, but I'm sure he will change it for the other guns because the system from him, I think it's an absolutely great idea. Please ask him. And he has a laser system. He worked with laser ammo together. So he has a laser bolt for the AR-15, G36, what end?
Brand 2 and Scar.
Okay, forget it. But AR-15, it's a G36. This is good job. No, it's good too. I work with this. It works very well. So please ask him if you have this kind of weapon in your unit or at home. Ask him. I think right now it's a very great. The other version is from, jetzt mal ganz kurz, SIRT. SIRT, it's good. But for us, if you use SIRT, it's not allowed in Germany. And the pistol from laser ammo, it's allowed in Germany. The American said, Germany, and then he showed me the middle finger. Because in the US, he buy thousands of SIRT. But he don't give us the...
Hour, right?
No, SIRT.
Zig.
Sierra, India, Romeo, Tango.
Okay.
And it works, but it's not allowed. Because the laser rules and so on. Laser ammo did everything for us. So this is why we can use it. Peter can use the SIRT. I can use the SIRT, but for SIRT it's not allowed to go to Germany. Because then the government will know what is this for a laser class.
Ah.
But for laser ammo, use it. Because it's allowed. And this certification costs money, of course. And SIRT say, for this little country, we do nothing. Good. And last point. Please help me. The beard system, it's a simulator 2. It's not bad. You can use your pistol, for example. Wie heißt das Ding nochmal? Mantis. You can use your Mantis, for example. It's not bad. But it's an absolute other idea. Why I like laser ammo? It's so simple. I give him the gun and have fun. And you can use your own tactic without problem. No programming, everything will work. So be open mind, have a look how it works, and this is fine. You have question? No. Peter, please.